In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically DM on Instagram when someone comments on your post using ManyChat. We're going to walk through the full process from inside your ManyChat account, so you can set this up once and let it run on autopilot every time someone comments on your posts or reels. First, log into your ManyChat account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon, and click on it. Inside the settings area, you'll see another menu on the left. Find the section called Channels. Under Channels, you should see Instagram listed. Click on Instagram and make sure your Instagram account is already connected to ManyChat. If it isn't, you'll need to connect it here before moving on. Otherwise, the automation won't work. Once your Instagram is connected, look again at the left panel and click on Automation. This is where all of your existing automations are listed. In the top right corner, click on the button that says New Automation. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, make sure Instagram is selected as the channel. You'll now see a collection of automation templates specifically for Instagram. Use the search bar at the top of the pop-up and type DM. This will filter the templates so you only see automations that involve direct messages. You'll notice options such as auto DM links from comments or auto send links in DM. For this tutorial, choose the Auto DM Links from Comments template. This opens the automation editor. Here is where you define exactly how the system should react when someone comments. Start by choosing when the automation should trigger. You can set it to trigger when someone comments on a specific post or reel, on any post or reel, or on the next post or reel you publish. Next, define the type of comment that should trigger the automation. You can require a specific word or multiple words in the comment, allow any word, or turn on the option to reply directly to their comment under the post. Then choose what they will receive in their inbox. You can send an opening DM with a Send me the link button, a DM asking them to follow you before they get the link, or a DM asking for their email address. Finally, configure what happens after that first message. You can send a DM that includes your link along with a short message. Click to add a link, then in the pop-up, set a button label and paste your link and save at the bottom. You can also add a follow-up DM in case they don't click the link. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Go Live. Your Instagram auto DM from comments is now active and ready to use.